Hey there, welcome back to Adam Academy. I'm Arifa. Come on, let's get started with the model paper 1 of 2025-26. Now, this is a multiple choice questions. Now let us solve these questions one by one, right? Now here you can see the HCF of 3 and 5 is HCF. You know 3, the factors of 3 are 3 into 1, correct? And the factors of 5 is 5 into 1. But what is the HCF here? So 1 you can find it common. So 1 is a HCF. Now the second question. In the figure, the number of zeros in the polynomial y is equal to p of x is. Now you can just see this graph. Just by looking at the graph, we can just say the number of zeros. The number of zeros means the curve touching the x-axis. This is x-axis. This is x-axis, fine. And this is y-axis. Now you need to check that the curve touching x-axis by how many points? You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 points. So we have got 4 zeros. Yes, this is the answer. Now we'll come back to third question. If the pair of linear equations, equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 have unique solutions, then come on, let us learn about the relationship here. Now a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. We call these lines as intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines. This is an intersecting line. It has got only one solution, or we say it has got a unique solution. Now this one is coincident line. Coincident lines. The lines are overlapping on each other. You can find that all the points are lying on each other. So we have got infinitely many solutions. This is coincident lines. Now this is a parallel line. You can see that starting only you have got equals to, that means it is parallel. Okay. You need to remember in this way that starting only cutoff is intersecting lines, right? Now the second one is the coincident lines. It has got many solutions, infinitely many solutions. Now this is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. We say this is a parallel lines. Parallel lines. They are not meeting at any point, so no solution. Now here in this question we have got unique solution. Unique means at least one solution. We can say that a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. This is a solution. Now the fourth question. The AP in the following is AP, arithmetic progression. We need to check the common difference in each case and see that here 2 minus 1 is 1 I got. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. That means we don't have any common differences here, right? So this is not an AP. Here let us check. 7 minus 3 is 4. 10 minus 7 is 3. This one. 14 minus 10 is 4 again. Now can you find any common difference? No. Common difference means all the difference should be the same, right? Now here 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, 16 minus 9 is 7. Now here also we don't find any common difference. So this is not an AP. Now let us check this. 9 minus 5 is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. 17 minus 13 is 4. Here we have got all the numbers are the same, that means it has a common difference, that is 4. So this is an AP. I hope this is clear. Here in the fifth question you can see, in the given frequency distribution table, this is the frequency distribution table, the median class is median class. How are we going to find out the median class? We have got number of students. Number of students are 20 here. So n by 2 is equal to 20 upon 2. When we cancel, we get 10. That is n upon 2 is equals to 10. So where does 10 lies? 10 lies in between these two. So we say that this is a this is a median class. Median class is 20 to 30. 20 to 30. C is the option here. Here cot A is equal to 3 tan A. Let me write. Cot A is equal to 3 tan A. So this is cot A is equal to 3 1 upon cot A. Tan can be written as 1 upon cot. Cross multiply, I get cot square A is equal to 3. When you remove the square, this becomes a root. Cot A is equal to root 3. So what will be the angle of cot where it is root 3? So we can say it is cot A is equal to cot of 30 degrees. So cot cancels. So A is equal to 30 degrees. So we got option D. A perpendicular drawn from a point P intersects x-axis. This is a perpendicular drawn. Okay. This is a perpendicular drawn. P of -4, -5, I can say. -4, -5. This is intersecting x-axis at the point Q. So the coordinates of the Q will be, we know this -4 is x coordinate, the x, and this is y coordinate. So as it is touching x-axis, x will say -4. As it is not moving, we just say it is Q is only on x-axis. So y-axis will be 0. So the option B. The next question is a quadratic equation whose roots are x, that is 6, and -1 is. Now these are the roots. Let us say this is x equals to 6 and x equals to -1. Let us say this alpha is equals to 6 and beta is equals to -1. Okay. Now what do we have got the formula? We have got the formula, that is x square minus sum of x plus product. I just can't write here 6 and here -1. That will be absolutely wrong because we need to find out the sum and the product. Sum, let us say, that is alpha plus beta is equal to alpha is 6 and beta is -1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And the product alpha beta is equal to multiplication. 6 into -1 is equal to -6. Now we got the sum as well as the product here. Let us say x square minus sum will be 5, 5x, product is -6. So equations as it is said, so we'll write equals to 0. Okay, so which option? That is B option is correct. Now we'll come to the next main. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation in two variables have if they are inconsistent? Inconsistent means no zeros at all. Let me say it is a parallel line. Now let me explain about this intersecting line. It has got one solution. It is consistent. Okay. This is a coincident lines. Infinite number of points are lying on each other. Okay, so they are intersecting. So all the points are coincident with each other. We say infinitely many solutions. So this is also consistent. And let us speak about a parallel lines. It is not meeting anywhere. So this is inconsistent because no solutions. At least it has to get one solution, but here we don't find any solution at all, so it is inconsistent. So parallel lines. Okay. Now in this figure we have got, in this figure ABC, this DE is parallel to BC. AD value is given. AD is 2 centimeter and BD is 6 centimeter. We need to find DE is to BC. Ratio we need to find. Now we'll apply the Thales theorem here. We can say AD upon BD is equal to DE upon BC. See here, AD upon BD is equals to AE upon CE, as well as we can say that DE upon BC. Okay. Now here AD value is 2. Okay, AD value is 2 upon, let me write here. Okay, 2 upon 6 is equal to DE upon BC. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore I got here DE upon BC is equal to 1 upon 3. So let us write this in ratio, that is DE is to BC is equal to 1 is to 3. This is the answer. The circumference of the base of the cylinder. Acha, this is a cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder. Base of a cylinder is 10 centimeter. Let us say the base of cylinder is in the circle shape. It is actually the circle. Okay. Now the circumference of the base, circumference, they are speaking about the circumference, not the area. Circumference is 2 pi r and its height is 25 centimeter. We need to find out the curved surface area. Okay. Now curved surface area, CSA, is equal to 2 pi RH. Okay, this is the formula. Now 2 pi r, we know the circumference of the base of cylinder is 10. And what is the height? Height is given as 25 centimeter. On the whole we say it is 250 centimeter square, because radius is in centimeter. Okay, and height is also in centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Write the value of P of E plus P of not E with reference to probability. So we know the formula, that is P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. In an AP, the seventh term, let us say seventh, A7, is means equals to 12 more means plus sign, let us say, more than its fourth term, A4. Or you can write A7 equals to A4 plus 12 also you can write. We need to find out the common difference. A7 is nothing but A plus 60 according to the formula. A plus 60, that is AN formula. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A7 is equal to A plus, so N value is 7, 7 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 7 minus 1 is 60. This is how we get. Understood? Now we have got here 7. That means common difference should be reduced by 1. Okay. So we have got A plus 60 is equal to 12 plus A4 can be written as A plus, will reduce 1 in the common difference, that is 3D. A on both the sides gets cancelled. So we get here, let us arrange all the like terms. So we'll bring this 3D to the left side. Minus 3D is equal to 12. So this will be 3D is equal to 12. That is, we say D is equal to 12 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So we got here common difference, D is equal to 4. In the figure, a cone with radius R, this is the radius, okay, this is the radius R, and this is a slant height, is mounted on a hemisphere. This is a hemisphere. Upon that, a cone is being placed. It has got the same radius as the cone and the hemisphere. Write the formula to find total surface area. Now total surface area, let us say the curved surface area of this cone is pi RL and the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now what will be total? Means we are going to add these both. Let me say pi RL plus 2 pi r square. So what is common in these two is pi r. Can you see pi r, pi r? Yes. Now pi r is common. Here L is left over. Here it is 2. One more r is left over. This is a total surface area of the solid. Okay. Now this next question, in triangle ABC, let us draw two triangles, that is A, B, C, and one more triangle as PQR. They are not congruent but they are similar. Okay. Now BC and QR are corresponding sides. So let us say angle Q is equal to 80. This is 80 degrees and angle C is 40 degrees. Then what will be the measure of angle P here? Now this is 80 and this is 40. 80 plus 40 is 120. Then what will be the angle A? Angle A equals to 180 minus 120. We get 60 degrees. When angle A equals to 60 degrees, the angle P is also 60 degrees. I hope this is clear. So we have got this as 80 and this as 40 degrees. B. Here let us say corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R. Now these two when we add, we get 120. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. 180 minus 120 will be 60 degrees. Okay. If angle A is 60, then obviously the corresponding angle will also be 60 degrees. Hope this is clear. Now, this is the 16th question. If the zeros of the polynomial p of x equals to x square plus 3x plus k. So we have got p of x, polynomial with the variable x is x square plus 3x plus k. Are reciprocal to each other. The zeros are reciprocal. Let us say the zeros are alpha and beta. They are reciprocal to each other. Let me say alpha is equals to 1 upon beta. Okay. Then find the value of k. If I do cross multiplication, I get alpha beta is equal to 1 I get. But we know the product that is alpha beta is equals to C by A. Okay. Now here, what is the value of A? A is equal to 1. What is B? B equals to 3. And C is K. Okay. We need to find out the value of K here. Here alpha beta is 1. So in place of alpha beta, I write 1 is equal to what is C? K upon A value is 1. So cross multiply, we get K is equal to 1 into 1 is 1. Hope this is clear, students. Right? Now let us solve two more questions here. In an AP, if S20 is equal to A20 and A20 is equal to 7, that means we know n value is equal to 20 here, right? Now we have got here the formula, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into a plus an. Why am I taking this? Because both have got a same value of n. Okay, Sn is also 20 and A20. You can see here S20 is equal to n value is 20 upon 2 into here a plus a, n value is 20. We know what is S20. S20 is A20 is equal to, let me cancel this, I get 10. Okay, 10 into a plus A20 value is 79. Okay, let us get it down here. A20 upon, let us divide by 10, is equal to a plus 79. 0 0 cancels. What do we get here? 82 is equal to a plus 79. Okay, so let us arrange the like terms. Like terms means this is a constant. Okay, so we'll bring this to the other constant here. 82 as is a plus, it is been transposed, the sign changes. 79 is equal to a, therefore a is equal to 3. So we got the value of a here. Hope it is clear to you all. How many numbers between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6? Okay, so the numbers from 201 till 401, the numbers we need to identify, and we have to know how many numbers are there which is divisible by 6. Okay, now how are we going to check this? We'll take the next number, that is 202. Let us check and see whether it is divisible or not. Okay, 6 3s are 18. We got 2. So if I take 2, is it completely divisible? No. So let us say 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Okay, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, and so on. Now 20s, in 20s means we have got 24, so I have to take here 4 so that it is completely divisible. So we got the first number, that is 204. What will be the next number? Next number, let us add this with 6. Okay, 204, 210, 216. Then what will be the last number? So the last number will be 400, and before this we'll take 399. Okay, now let us see 399. Okay, with 6 6 are 36, 3 remainder. Okay, if a 6 7s are 42. In 3s we have got only these two, right? So the nearest to this is 36, so that means I need to change this number as 6 so that I get a perfect number which gets divisible by 6 here. 6 6 are 36 I get. So the last number is 396. Hope this is clear, right? Now we got APs here. Now what is the first term? That is A is equals to 204, and the common difference, if we subtract each number we get 6 here. And what will be this number? This is AN, which is equals to 396. Okay, now let us apply the formula. We need to find out the number of terms, that is n we need to find out here. So AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a formula. AN, we know it is 396, is equal to A value is 204 plus n is not known, n minus 1, and D. We'll take this to the other side. We have got 396 minus 204 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Let us subtract 396 and 204. We get 192. Okay, this is 192 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. We'll bring the 6 down in the denominator. Upon 6 is equal to n minus 1. Okay. Now let us divide 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, 1 remainder, 6 twos are 12. Okay, so we got here n minus 1 is equal to 32. Let us take this to the other side. N equals to 32 plus 1. N is equals to 33. So the number of terms, how many numbers are present between 2 and 1 to 4 and 1? It is 33 numbers are present which are divisible by 6 here. I hope this is clear to everyone. We have got the next question here. Solve the given pair of linear equations using suitable method. Now here you can see both the coefficients are not same. Okay, here we can see both the coefficients are same. So this one easily gets cancelled. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. Okay, now 2x plus 3x, when it is getting directly cancelled, we have to do everything in direct. That is plus into plus plus, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5x is equal to 8 plus 7 is 15. So x equals to 15 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 3s are. We got x equals to 3 here. Now we can choose any of this equation, either 1 or 2. The choice is yours. So I'll take the first one, that is 2x plus y is equal to 8. So 2 into 3 is plus y is equal to 8. 2 3s are 6 plus y is equal to 8. That means I have substituted the value of x as 3 here. 2 3s are 6 I've got. Let me take 6 to the other side, that is on right hand side. 8 minus 6, y is equal to 2. So I got the value of x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. We have got this quadratic equation and we have to determine the nature of roots. Okay, now here the quadratic equation, let me write here, 2x square plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now what are the values of ABC? ABC are only constants we need to write. That is A equals to 2, B is equal to 3 and C equals to minus 7. Okay. Now discriminant means delta equals to B square minus 4AC is a discriminant. So in place of B, let me write here 3 square minus 4, A value is 2 and C value is minus 7. 3 square is 9 minus into minus, let us say plus. 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. This equals to 65. When we add these both, we get 65. As the delta is positive, we say it has got real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct. Okay, let me draw this number line to make it clear. This is 0. On the right hand side, we have got all the positive numbers. On the left hand side, we have got all the negative numbers. And this one, when we get 0 as an answer, we say equal roots. When all the roots are positive, we say it is real and distinct. And the roots, that is minus, all these are all the negative numbers. This is imaginary. or we say no roots. Okay, as we got plus sign, plus 65, that comes in the right side. So all these roots are real and distinct. So let us say if it is root of minus 3, this is imaginary. Okay, fine. So hope this is clear.